How to connect Shopify store to YouTube. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Then here you can see the settings option, tap onto it and then tap onto apps and sales channels. And after clicking onto it, then tap onto Shopify app store, the top right corner. Here you can see it. After tapping onto it, just search for Google and YouTube. Here you can see this and YouTube option, just tap onto it, and as you can see, I have already installed it. You just have to install it and complete the installation, then open it up. And then after opening it up, you will see an option to connect YouTube to your Shopify store. Let me show you. So there we go. Now here we can see the connect your Google Merchant Center account. You can connect your Google Merchant Center account if you wish to, and then that's it. You can also create a new one if you wish to, and you can connect your Google with YouTube very easily. So after completing on the create new options, here we can just tap onto these icons, or you can create an online store and etc. First of all, you have to connect your Google with Google Merchant Center, then you can set up your online store very easily, and then you can even start setting up with YouTube also. So here you can see this, you can connect it very easily. Just tap onto connect and you can connect your Google Ads account. So now you have to confirm this, and then you can confirm all of these things, then complete setup. So after completing the setup, you can now get started with sell your products on YouTube channel. From here you can just get started. You have to fill out these informations. You have to tap on to continue, fill out this information. You have to choose a channel. So as you can see, this one or this one, your channels will be automatically appeared on here if you have connected it to your Google account or Google Merchant account. So this is how it looks like. You can tap continue, and lastly you can just tap select. You can just choose your targeted country and language, then save it up, and this is what it will look like. And you have to complete all these options from here, and lastly just tap on to complete setup after clicking on this. So this is as simple as that. So this is how you can connect your YouTube channel to it, as I'm having some network issues, so there's some problem right now. So that is it. You have to follow these steps. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.